Good afternoon and welcome back to the shop. It is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving 2022. I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. Thank you very much. And a very big special thank you to the continued supporters of the channel. Well, this is going to be a continuation of the Farmall M. I'm in a big push to get it done. I've got a plow for it now, so I need to get it done so we can go play in the dirt with it. But this video, like I said, it's going to be a continuation. I had spoken in the last video about building supports for the motor. I've got the metal cut and it's here on the floor, a piece of channel, a piece of flat, and a piece of 1 inch. And I've got two reinforcements made for the dolly, which I'm going to weld here because we're going to put the transmission top plate back on. So I want extra thick metal back here, extra strength rather, to support that. And I've got this already mocked up. You can see how it goes. Flat stock, 1 inch square channel, and it lays perfectly right over the engine stand. So the reason I'm pushing forward right now is because the guy is going to be here next Thursday to sandblast all this stuff. So expect a lot more videos coming of the Farmall M. There'll be some other videos. We still need to get the toolbar finished for the Super C and the other videos or the other projects, which is the two-row planter and the disc. But once this guy comes out here next Thursday and does the job, we'll see how well it works. I've got my fingers crossed. I've seen pictures of his work. It looks pretty good so far, but pictures are pictures. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. So what I'm going to do is get the other brace mocked up and get it welded in. Then we'll get this welded in. And then I'm going to put the top plate on there. And that's pretty much it for that, because I'll be bringing the rest of the pieces out of the container, getting everything staged and ready to go for next Thursday morning. The video, I'm probably not going to have a lot today, but I will do some recording or filming of the actual media blasting process. And then, like I said, he's coming Thursday, so that gives me next Friday, well, Thursday night and Friday, to get this stuff cleaned and get it in primer so it doesn't rust. So I don't know if this is going to be a two-part video or just one 15-minute video or something. We'll figure it out. But let's go on and get the welder set up so we can get these two projects done and start moving all the stuff out of the container into here. I do need to disassemble the other bolster that I have for my M. This is the original one, and it, like I said, it was broken and somebody welded it. So we're not going to use that one. I found another one. I'm going to try and take the tag off of this one and put it on that one, so it's still got the right casting date. Well, let me quit jabbering, get set up. Let's get this stuff knocked out. Then I can get all the stuff out of the container and call it a day, because I got to go home and cook a ham for Thanksgiving. I'll do that tonight and my turkey in the morning. So stay tuned. We'll be back in just a few minutes and we'll do some welding. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get this thing welded in and move on to the next project, which will be getting the extra support in those uprights over there. So if you don't like arc flash, please fast forward through this part of the video. All right, it's tacked, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish welding it in. All right. Okay, put a bead right here on the front. Now I think that'll be it. We'll move over here to the other side and get that side done. And that should be it. We'll move on to the next project. Okay, and like, this is just, it doesn't have to be pretty. It does look pretty good on this side. Once I increased the feed and the voltage, it does look a lot better than the other side. But my main concern is just to get this thing welded up so that it can support the motor and we can get it outside to be sandblasted. And the most important thing is I don't trust those 1/2-inch bolts in the back to hold this up, because this is when America actually made things. Honest American labor, not this Chinese import junk. So let's get this on over there to the other side and start welding that in. So we'll be right back.